They're making it seem as if the problem is Duterte. We want to ask Bongbong Marcos, nasaan yung 129 billion na gold reserves na binenta ninyo? Nasaan yung PhilHealth funds na 89 billion? Nasaan yung Maharlika Fund na 250 billion? Yung GSIS na 62.5 billion, yung SSS na 62.5 billion, yung Land Bank na 62.5 billion, yung PDIC, Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, 117 billion kinuha at inilipat sa Department of Finance. Pera natin yon, hindi yun pera ng gobyerno. Lahat yun yung nasa bangko natin na pera, kinuha at dinagay sa Department of Finance. Bakit? Pera natin yon. So, yun ang mga pasagutin natin sa kanila. We just want the prices to go down. We want you to serve us and we want you to stop stealing from us. Tumigil na kayo. I just want to echo